Fulton Hogan Limited. The winner tonight is Hip Construction, Higgins Contractors, McConnell Dell Constructors. Join me in welcoming to the stage the winner of the 2019 NEOC from Clements Contractors, Ricky Lum.
We have determined this year that there is a worthy candidate for our service award. The Major Associate Award for 2019, the inaugural award, and the winner is Hirepool.
Thank you very much to all the other major associates. You all deserve this, and I'm a little bit humbled that we got it. Thank you very much.